To buy Ethereum on Coinbase, you'll need to start by downloading the app. You can do this by accessing the App Store on your phone. Whether it's through the App Store, Google Play, or the Microsoft Store. Once you're in the App Store, type Coinbase into the search bar, and you'll see a few different options, including the main Coinbase app and the Coinbase wallet. You can choose either of these to buy Ethereum. After downloading the app, exit the App Store and find the newly downloaded app on your phone. Open the app, and you'll see the option to buy or transfer crypto. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to the Buy section, where you'll see Ethereum as one of the main options. Click on Ethereum, and the app will load a page with the current price, market information, and other details. From there, you can click the Buy button to purchase Ethereum.